In this video, we will look into the resolution notes generation capability of NowAssist for CSM. So let's click on activate button, and then it should take us back to the step-by-step process of activating the skill. And so first of all, we have general details about the skill, and then we can click on save and continue. Second step is view input, where we can see the inputs passed to the skill, short description, work notes, and comments. And also the emails are also included by default. Let's click on save and continue. Then we need to select the input field where we need the resolution notes to be pasted once we are done. So this is also fine. Then we need to define triggers, whether it's a user triggered or automatic generation. So let's select user triggered for now. Save and continue again. Then availability, in terms of availability, we can define whether the skill is always available or we want the skill to be available only for specific scenarios. For example, the case is resolved or closed. So let's select always available for now. Then the define access part, we need to define roles which need to have access to be able to utilize the skill. So by default, SNESM agent is selected, and let's keep it that way for now. Then the display options are there where we can select whether we want the skill to be available in the desktop or NowAssist panel or both. So let's select both of them for now. I'll click on save and continue. And then finally, we can review the details that we have selected throughout this step-by-step process. And we can click on activate in the bottom right corner. So once the skill is activated, we will get that pop-up message saying it is completed, and then we'll get back to the list view. Now the second step is we need to take a look at the UI actions which are available. So let's go to the UI actions, and we need to look for something called proposed solution. So there are two available. One is available as part of customer service, which is currently active, and we need to deactivate this one. And the another one is available as part of NowAssist for customer service management application, and we need to activate this one. So let's activate this one first. And let's change our scope to customer service to be able to deactivate the other one. And let's deactivate this one. Active is false. And the third step we need to perform, especially keeping in mind the workspace, is activating a declarative action. Come on. So within this, we need to go to form actions. And again, we will search for something called proposed solution. Let's go inside this one, and we need to activate this one. So let's switch our view back to NowAssist for customer service management. So we need to enable the active checkbox over here and enable for all configurable experiences. Let's save this now. Now we can run a quick test by going to one of the existing case and see if the proposed solution button works as expected and is able to generate the resolution notes for us. So I've opened this case. Let me refresh the screen once. In this case, if I click on proposed solution button in the top right corner, it should automatically generate some resolution notes for me based on the skill that is activated. And if I, let's say, select something over here, and click on propose, it should post these resolution notes and mark the ticket as resolved. So let's see if it works the way we are expecting it to work. So the ticket is marked as resolved. And if I go to the resolution notes section, the generated resolution notes are also pasted in the resolution notes field of the case. Now let's see if this functionality works in the same way in the workspace as well or not. So now let's go to the workspace. Here's one dummy case which I've opened just for testing purpose. And we do have a proposed solution button available over here. So if I click on this, let's see how it works in the workspace. Okay, so in this case as well, using AI, you can see AI written in the top right corner of the resolution notes field. Resolution notes is generated